Namaste, this is Jyoti Lakshmi from Present Vidya Mandir School, prepared by myself, Miss Jyoti Lakshmi, presented by Miss Sukanya, Miss Tamilchelvi and Miss Subhastri. Yes, we are going to see Class 3, Subject Science, Lesson 9, Where Are We? Month February, Week 1, Part 1. Yes, where are we? Yes, we are going to see about the planets in our solar system and different components in our solar system. Expected learning outcomes. Students will be able to name some of the different components in our universe. Describe some of the different components in our universe. Yes, let's start our PEP activity. Yes, look at the picture and help Madhu to answer the quiz. These are all space components. Space components. Yes, the first question. Write the names of all the components of space you recognize. Write the names of all the components of space you recognize. Yes, the stars, the sun, the moon, and the planets. The stars, the sun, the moon, and the planets. Second question. Name any 3 planets in our solar system. Name any 3 planets in our solar system. Here I wrote Mercury, Venus and Uranus. Yes, if you want to change, you can change. Mercury, Venus and Uranus. If you want to write some other planets means you can write it. Yes. Third question. The dash is a star and is at the center of our solar system. Yes, it's sun. The sun is a star and is at the center of our solar system. The last one. The dash is a natural satellite that goes around our planet. The moon. The moon is a natural satellite that goes around our planet. Different components in our solar system. Different components in our solar system. Yes. Stars, planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, galaxies. Stars, planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, galaxies. Here first we are going to see about the stars, the twinkling stars. Stars are giant balls of hot burning gases that emit their own. Stars are giant balls of hot burning gases that emit their own. The sun is also a star. The sun is also a star. A group of stars that appear arranged in a recognizable shape and has been given a name is known as a constellation. A group of stars that appear arranged in a recognizable shape and has been given a name is known as a constellation. Yes, let us look at some examples of constellation. Orion, Big Dipper. It's look like Orion look like a bow and arrow. Big Dipper is look like a pan. Yes, Orion. This constellation is shaped like a man holding a bow and arrow. It was named after Orion, a hunter in Greek mythology. This constellation is shaped like a man holding a bow and arrow. It was named after Orion, a hunter in Greek mythology. It is one of the most easily identifiable constellation in the night sky. To find this constellation, just look for Orion's belt, which is represented by 3 bright stars in a line. It is one of the most easily identifiable constellations in the night sky. To find the constellation, just look for Orion's belt, which is represented by 3 bright stars in a line. Big Dipper. This constellation is known for its pan with a handle shape. Pan with a handle shape. It is made up of 7 stars. It is made up of 7 stars. It always points north. It always points north. 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. It is made up of 7 stars. It is an important constellation as it helps many people such as astronomers studying the sky, sailors lost at sea, or people lost in the woods find their way. It is an important constellation as it helps many people such as astronomers studying the sky, sailors lost at sea, or people lost in the woods find their way. Yes, let's move on to the activity 9.2. Why are stars only visible at night? Yes, can you tell me why are stars only visible at night? Yes, the sun makes the sky so bright that we cannot see the other stars. The sun makes the sky so bright that we cannot see the other stars. At night, since it is dark, night means dark. At night, since it is dark sky, the stars are visible. The stars are visible. Yes, let's move on to our planets. Unlike stars, planets do not emit their own light. A planet has 3 unique characteristics. A planet has 3 unique characteristics. First one, it is an object in space that orbits the stars. It is an object in space that orbits the stars. It is shaped like a ball. It is shaped like a ball. It forms a unique orbit around the star. It forms a unique orbit around the star. These are the 3 characteristics of a planet. Yes. Our solar system has a total of 8 planets that orbit the sun. Our solar system has a total of 8 planets that orbit the sun. This includes 4 inner planets. Yes, what are the 4 inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars that are closer to the sun. That are closer to the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are closer to the sun. And 4 outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets that are farther away from the sun. That is away from the sun. It is closer to the sun. It is away from the sun. Inner planets are mostly made up of rocks and inner planets are mostly made up of rocks. Inner planets are mostly made up of rocks. And outer planets are mostly made up of gases. Outer planets are mostly made up of gases. The closer a planet is to the sun, the hotter it is. Closer to the sun planet. The planet is closer to the sun is too hot. The planet that is close to the sun is too hot. because the sun is the ball of fire. Here, planets in our solar system. Planets in our solar system. Yes, this you know. Sun, the ball of fire. These are all inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are called inner planets. Outer planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets in our solar system. The outer planets are having a ring. The outer part is covered in a ring. Yes, the outer planets are, the outer part are covered with a ring. All the outer planets in our solar system have rings around them. All the outer planets in our solar system have rings around them. These rings are mostly made up of ice and rocks. These rings are mostly made up of ice and rocks. Yes, word wall. We are going to learn these words. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Once again, we will repeat. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Thank you children. Bye-bye. We will see in the next video.